Stonehenge. Stonehenge is a huge stone circle, or henge, located near Amesbury in modern-day Wiltshire. The bones of around 150 people have been found in the area and around the henge, which makes it the largest Neolithic cemetery in Britain. Building began in around 3000 BC, at the end of the Stone Age and the start of the Bronze Age. Builders dug a large circular ditch out of the chalky ground. They piled up the chalk into the middle of the ditch, making a small hill called a bank. Stonehenge was redesigned several times throughout the Bronze Age and Iron Age, up until around 1600 BC. The stone circle you can see today dates back to 2500 BC. Smaller stones were placed across the top of two or more larger standing stones, creating the famous monument we now recognise as Stonehenge. The largest stones were made of sarsen, a kind of sandstone. These probably came from West Woods, which was about 16 miles away. Meanwhile, the smaller stones were made of bluestone and were transported all the way from the Preseli Hills in southwest Wales, a distance of over 150 miles. Archaeological evidence suggests that large religious festivals took place at Stonehenge. People came from as far away as the Scottish Highlands to celebrate the winter and summer solstices, the longest and shortest days of the year, when the sun's rays shone directly into the centre of the stone circle. This tradition continues today. In 2019, a staggering 10,000 people gathered to celebrate the summer solstice at Stonehenge.